So I'll explain this third question, yeah? So for the third question, let me erase this first. So question gave you the following diagram shows PQ is the diameter of circle with center O. What happened? So your center is at O lah, and then straight line is PQ. So determine the value of x plus y plus z. So how would you solve the question? So you only need to use your knowledge on chapter 3. Okay, so for x, what you know here is since the edge of the line is connected to the edge of the circle, you know automatically this one is 90. Okay, so this one is 90. Immediately you can find y lah. So 52 plus 90 plus y equals to 180. Do algebra and you got value of y, which is 38 if I'm not wrong. Okay, so lepas you dah jumpa after you found your punya y value, now you need to find x value pula. Okay, so let me make this a little bit smaller because it's too large. So now you need to find x. So how do you find x? Simple. Okay, so you already have 52, you already have 38. No, we're not using that. Okay, so you notice that this one is connected to this one, right? Okay, so you have one going through the midpoint and one is going through the edge of the circle, and then you notice that both of these has the same minor arc. So since it has the same minor arc, it uses the knowledge of your math in chapter 6. If this is theta, here would be 2 theta then. So kalau you punya 2 theta equals to 140, you punya theta supposedly is 70. Okay, so find your punya value of x. So now pula you need to find the value of z. So for this one you might get confused because actually what you can see here is you can see this part and then this part. So you can determine the value lah. And then you also have this part right here. And then you notice 3 of these has the same minor arc also. So use this knowledge, okay? But kalau for this, in this case, usually it's like this kan? But for this case lah pula, what happened is the length is actually sideways. So that is why it might be confusing to you lah. So it is like this. Okay. So this one is theta. So if this is theta, then this part would be 2 theta. Okay. So we already have this part, can find, which is 40. Why? Because this is straight line kan. So P to Q is straight line. So you just think of that. How can I find 40? Just think how. Okay. I supposedly you can because I already explained kan. So and then for Z la pula, it is actually theta divided by 2, which is 40 divided by 2, which is 20 lah. So you already found Z, already found Y, already found X. So just add them. You should get your answer, which is 128. Okay?